Welcome into SQL World. Today in this tutorial, we will learn about annotations in TestNG. Different type of annotations in TestNG. For example, before method, before test, before class. In this tutorial, we will see these annotations step by step. So let's begin. First, we add the before method. Before method public void setup and print something here. Annotations always started with @ import before method. Before method, this will be executed before every test annotated method. Here we print system.out.println. This will be executed every test method. Now we will create some test case here. @ public void login import test method. Let's copy this. This is our one test case. Login, add another test case, @ test public void sign up. This is our one test case, which is login, and this is our second test case, which is sign up. Let's run this script. This @ before method will be executed before every @ test, which is test method. Here you can view first before method executed, then first test case, which is login, and then again this before method executed. After this before method, then our second test case execute, which is sign up. Now we will see after method. After method will be executed after every test method. Add after method public void logout import method spelling is wrong. Import after method. Print the close the browser. This after method will be executed when the all test cases will be executed. Let's run this script and see what happens. This method execute only one time after completing the all test cases, but before method executed after completion of every test case. Now we will see before class. Before class will be executed before first test method execution. At the rate before class public void first class. We need to import before class. Import before class. Right? It will be executed before first method. In before class, we can set up our browser, in which we can initialize the browser and enter the URL here. Remove this and add test case. Public void. Login. And enter something here, login successfully. Let's run this script. Before class will be executed before test method. Here you can view the before class executed before the login test case, which is our test method. Now we will see after class. Add the rate before class before class public void logout. This is our after class. Import the after class. In after class, we can close the browser. Session close. Run this is before class. This will be executed before first method, and after class will be executed after completion of all test case. First our before class executed, then first test case executed, after completion first test case, then after method execute. Now we will see before test. Import the before test. Here add after test. Import. Spelling is wrong. After. Import after test. After test, this will be executed after all test method in the current class have been run. While before test, this will be executed before the first test annotated method. It can be executed multiple times before the test case. Run the script. In console, first executed before test method, then execute first test case, which is login. After executing test case, then execute after test. Now we can create multiple classes in TestNG, and we can define classes in TestNG.xml. For creating the classes always create inside the package. Delete this class and we will create new class here. Right click on package, new, and then click on class. Enter the class name, sign up, finish. Here we can add our test cases. Add the test public void dashboard. We need to import add the test system dot out dot print ln and print here dashboard is opening. For executing in both classes, we will add the classes name here in TestNG.xml. In TestNG.xml, first suite name, inside the suite name test name, and then classes. In classes, we add the class name. Copy this class name. First, for writing the class name, first enter the package name, which is automate, and then enter the class name, which is login. This is our second class. Here we enter the second class name, which is sign up. Control S to save. We can easily manage our test cases by using testng.xml file. After adding the classes, we will run. Right click on testng.xml and then click on testng suite. Here you can view our all test cases have been executed. This is our dashboard is open. Second, we add this test case in second class. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to SQ1. Hit the bell icon for updates. Have question or topic you want to see? Comment below. Thanks for watching.